And welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CapCut properly so you can unlock more features, especially if you are using it from Nigeria or any country where some features are limited. To make this work smoothly, please follow all the steps carefully. Let's get into it. So in order to achieve this, we are going to go like this. Turn on your VPN. Before doing anything, make sure your VPN is on and connected to USA or any tier 1 country like UK, Canada or Germany. This step is very important. It helps you access all features CapCut offers in those countries. Step 2. Download latest CapCut app. You may go to the description below, search for CapCut and download the latest version. Important notice, don't open the app yet after installation. This is very important. Step 3. Go to Google or CapCut website and sign up. Open your browser and search CapCut Sign In on Google. Click on the link that leads to the official CapCut sign up page. Enter an email address you've never used on CapCut before, along with any password. Since the email is new, CapCut will prompt you to sign up. Click on Sign Up with Email. Click on Sign Up with Email, then enter the same email again. Step 4. Use a temp mail. For example, myself, I'm using temp mail. If you don't want to use your personal email, you can use a temporary email from website like tempmail.org. For me, I will use my temp mail. Step 5. Verify your email. Check your inbox for the verification code from CapCut. Copy the code, paste it on the site, then create your password. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. For my returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. Step 6, which is the final step. After verifying your account, you will be asked to enter your details. Enter your details, then choose a nickname and then click continue, and boom, your CapCut account is ready. Now listen to this very important note. Please make sure your VPN is still on while doing all this. You don't open the CapCut app until after you've signed up and logged in through the website. This helps the app link to your new account properly, and it will open up all the premium features when you finally open it. So when you do this, CapCut will automatically open the app through the website for you, and once that is done, your CapCut will begin to work properly with all features unlocked. So if you followed all these steps correctly, your CapCut should now be fully set up and working perfectly. So let's walk through the CapCut app to see if all the features have been unlocked, and also see the effects. You can see, yeah, that's the text effect, the animation, yeah, you can see it that it's working perfectly. So this is just how to set it up and make it work. You can see it's also exporting. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have questions, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel so you will be among the first to know when I drop more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.